Turn on TV light.
Okay.
Meet the Apple Watch SE3, Apple's latest affordable smartwatch that packs premium features without the premium price. It comes in 40mm and 40mm sizes, with a sleek aluminum design and multiple color options. You get a bright Retina display, smooth navigation with watchOS 11, and a faster processor that makes everything feel quick and responsive. Health and fitness tracking is a big highlight. The SE3 monitors your heart rate, workouts, calories, and sleep, while also reminding you to stay active with rings and challenges. It includes fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS, and heart notifications, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. And yes, it supports Apple Pay with NFC, so you can tap to pay in seconds. For staying connected, the watch offers call, text, and notifications right on your wrist. With the cellular model, you can even leave your iPhone at home and still stream music, use maps, and stay connected. Battery life is up to 18 hours with fast charging, and it's swim-proof with water resistance up to 50 meters, making it a great companion in and out of the gym. Turn on TV light.
Okay.
Turn off TV light.
Okay.
Best of all, the Apple Watch SE3 gives you almost everything you love from the flagship models at a much more affordable price. Turn off SE.
It's off.
Turn on AC.
It's set to cool.